Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about trigonometric ratio of angle θx in terms of angle. There are basically three formula: sin 3x, 3 sin x, 4 sin cube x, cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 sin x, 3 cos x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now proof. Sin 3x, we can write it as sin 2x plus x, that is 2x plus x, that is sin 3x. Now we have got a formula: sin x plus y, sin x plus y is equal to sin x. We have got sin x plus y, we have to use this formula here: sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here sin x, this is x, this is, we have to consider twice x as x and x as y. From this we get sin x cos y, y means x, plus cos x sin y, y means here x. Now we have to split sin twice x. Sin twice x we have got already 2 sin x cos x, this is cos x, and cos twice x we have got, it can be written cos term, sin term, we have to write this as sin term. This is 2 1 minus 2 sin square x, this is, therefore this is sin x. Now we have to simplify it: 2 sin x cos x, this is cos square x, sin x into 1 sin x, sin x into 2 sin square, 2 sin cube x. Now we convert cos square x to sin square. 2 sin x, it is 1 minus sin square x. From this we write this: cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, that is sin x 2 sin cube x, 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin square, 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now 2 sin x sin x, that is 3 sin x, 2 sin cube x, 2 sin cube x, that is 4 sin cube x. We can also prove cos 3x as before. Second proof, number 2, cos 3x, this can be written as cos twice x plus x. Now you have to keep it memory formula: cos x plus y. We have got already, this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now cos x plus y, we have to consider twice x as x and x as y. Now cos x cos x cos y, this is cos y means here x, cos x minus sin x, this is x, sine y, y means this is x. I have to split cos 2x in terms of cos x. This can be written as, we have got earlier classes, 2 cos square x minus 1, this is, from this we can write this cos x, and sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, from this we can write this or sin x. Now 2 cos square x into cos x, 2 cos cube x, minus 1 into cos x, this is this cos x, sin x means sin square x, is 2 cos x cos cube x minus cos x. We have to convert this sin square x into cos square x, 2 cos x 1 minus cos square x, from this we get this. Now 2 cos cube x minus cos x, this is 2 cos x into 1, 2 cos x, 2 cos x into cos square x minus plus 2 cos cube x. Now this and this, 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x, and minus 1 cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. Similarly, we can prove tan 3x also. This can be done in this way. Tan 3x, proof. Tan 3x, this can be written as tan 2x plus x. Can write this tan 3x, we can write tan 2x plus x. We have got earlier tan 2x, 10x plus y. What is the formula? This is 10x plus 10y, 1 minus 10x 10y. It is. Now 10x we can consider it x and it is y. Therefore 10x plus 10y, y means there is x, 1 minus 10x, that is 10x, here this is x, and 10y, y means this is x, here is x. Now we have to split this cos 2x, tan 2x and tan 2x. Tan 2x means 2 tan x. We have discussed in the earlier classes, 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x means this 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x. This is tan x. 1 minus tan 2x means 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x, that is tan x. Now we have to simplify it, taking LCM in the numerator and LCM in the denominator also. 1 minus tan square x, which is the LCM, therefore 2 tan x plus 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Here also 1 minus tan square x, you have to write this 1 into tan square x minus 2 10x 10x. Now we can, this can be 10 2 10x plus 10x minus 10 cube x, 10x minus 10 cube x. This is 1 minus 10 square x to 10 square x. From this we can write 2 10x plus 10x, 3 10x minus 10 cube x, 1 minus 10 square x, 2 10 square x, 3 10 square x. This is the very important formula to use it to doing some problem. Next, I have discussed 4 important now formula to transform the sum and difference to product. There are 4 formula is here, and these are the most important. First one is sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Second one, sin A minus sin B. This is 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Third one, cos A minus cos B. This is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B. And fourth one is sin A minus, now this is cos A plus cos B. This is cos A minus cos B. This is 2 sin minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Here is sin A plus sin B, 2 sin plus B by 2, sin A minus sin B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2, cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and cos A minus cos B. This is minus 2 sin A plus B. Now proof. One. You can also prove it 1 and we know we have already gone sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin x minus y is equal to, this is sin x cos y minus cos x sin. If we adding if we add this and this, then we get sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. If we add this will cancel. Therefore, sin x cos y, sin x cos y, 2 sin x cos y, and we can mark it as 1. Subtracting this, if we subtract this from this, if we subtract this and this, we get sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to, these are cancelled, subtracting, and this will plus. Therefore, it is 2 cos xy sin y. You can mark as 2. Now let x plus y is equal to a. If we take x plus y as x minus y as, this implies if we add x plus y and x minus y, x plus y, x minus y, this and this thing, and this and this, y cancel. This implies 2x is equal to a plus b. This implies x is equal to a plus b by 2. Similarly, if we subtract again x plus y minus x minus y, this is a minus b. This will be x plus y minus x plus y. Here x will be cancelled. This implies we can write 2y is equal to a minus b. This implies y is equal to a minus b by 2. Now, putting the value of x plus y, x minus y, x and y in 1 implies. Now 1 implies we get sin x plus y means a, x minus y sin b. Here we get 2 sin x means we have got sin a plus b by 2, and y means cos a minus 2 implies if we put the value x plus y, x minus y, x and y in 2, then we get sin a minus sin b 2 cos. X means where a plus b by 2 sin a minus. These are about the formula. Next class I shall discuss about solution of some exercise problem. So for today I have stopped.